You know, this drywall just really isn't doing it for me. It'd be cool to cover this whole wall with some pallet boards. Might be a lot of work, but we got a pretty healthy stack. You can see, got a gradual step all the way up. We almost know what we're doing. You know, it's not perfect. It's rough work. It's turning out pretty great. Bam! It's shining. It's kind of scaring me. Oh darn, it looks good. Now let's finish the rest of it. I don't. Just enough to be dangerous. All right, that's solid. You just run them in deep. Set the board. Grab the drill. Pop a couple holes in the board. Oh, lost it. Sink the last one in. Move on to the next board. Got the whole wall done now.